Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym and I thought I would share with you my post-workout smoothie that I make. And this smoothie is really amazing because it's anti-inflammatory, it's packed with protein and superfoods, and I just thought I could share it with you guys because a lot of people don't know what to eat after their workouts. You know, when you go and you lift weights or you do your exercises, it's really important to feed your body afterwards so that it recovers properly and it has the right nutrients to recover properly. So usually this is how I go about making my protein smoothie. I'm going to show you all of the things that I use. You don't have to use everything. Most of the time I don't have all of the ingredients, but today is a special day because I have all of the ingredients. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I put in the blender. Half a banana, and then I use about 2 handfuls of spinach. I love adding these to my smoothies. So I'm gonna add a bunch of spinach. It's interesting because when it all blends together, you can barely taste the spinach or the ingredients on their own. So don't be scared to add greens in. Then I add about 1 teaspoon of moringa. I've been taking spirulina supplements, but I've also read a lot of good things about moringa, which is an amazing antioxidant superfood, great for fighting inflammation as well. So I bought a pack and I wanted to try it out, and it's been really good. I've been adding it to my smoothies mostly. So I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of moringa. If you don't have moringa, that's totally fine. You can just use the spinach as your main greens. And then I add another teaspoon of black maca powder, and again, just another superfood, great for giving you energy and helps with inflammation. So I don't add too much for this one, so I'm just gonna add half a teaspoon. I'm gonna leave links below the video for you guys so you can read more about these superfoods. Then of course I'm gonna add some hemp hearts. I love hemp seeds, they add an amazing taste. I'm gonna use a package that's already open here. I don't want to open this one, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of hemp seeds. And then I'm gonna add some fruits. So I added already half a banana. I'm gonna add a little bit of raspberries. I add about half a cup of raspberries. For me personally, you know, I don't really mind the taste of green smoothies. For me, it's not about taste, it's about just ingredients and feeding my body with the right food. So that's what I want. So I don't really care if the smoothie is not sweet enough. But feel free to add either stevia or sugar. I'm gonna add ice now. Last thing I wanna add is the protein powder. I know certain people, they don't like whey products, so feel free to just use your favorite type of protein. I'm gonna add 1 scoop. And we're just gonna blend everything together. Of course, don't forget to add water. So I'm just gonna add a little water. I don't use any milk or any juice with my smoothies. This smoothie tastes really good, guys. I know it doesn't look like it does. I know the color is a little weird for a smoothie because we've got a lot of stuff here, but just try it. Add again, add some stevia or some honey if you want it to be sweeter. But this smoothie is packed with superfoods and just amazing ingredients that are really, really good for your body. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you try it and you enjoy it, and I'll see you next video.